What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wake and Make. Today we're going to be doing the second part of our stabilization video. Stabilizing peach pits. Going to be showing you guys just a little bit of what I got going on here. This is where some of those peach pits came from, right here. I have 4 peach trees, a few elderberries. You know, it's February and nothing's doing anything. Plums, more plums. And this little peach, the loneliest peach. Got 4 pear trees right there. They're all just taking off. On today's episode of Wake and Make, we're gonna be doing the second part of our stabilization video where we actually stabilize these peach pits. We're gonna be doing some casting, which I did a little bit of casting before on the channel, but I don't know, I just kind of wing it. I really am not gonna tell you guys how to cast or mix colors. There's a million ways to do it. Have fun, you know? Stick around, subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, ask me a question, whatever you got. It'd be nice to talk to you. Here we are, 5 days of soaking after I turned the vacuum off. All activity has ceased. I'm gonna pull the peach pits out, dump them into the resin out into these 5 new containers, which I'll then store for reuse. I'm gonna let the yew, rhododendron, and walnut sit in here while I cure the peach pits, the mass difference, the size. I don't want to be opening and closing the door trying to get these out and let these have to sit in there for so long. Obviously going to take a little longer to cure and reach temperature. Let's keep in mind the peach pits are not very porous. Perhaps if these were 2, 3, 4 years old and have had a chance to really dry out and lose some of their carbon, they would really take the color better. But we're just kind of going to get a hue and do a bit of preservation with this process. I did put in some deer antler, elk antler, which you'll really be able to see the color.
That's a piece of elk.
Two pieces of deer antler I threw in there for fun. You're going to want to dry off any extra cactus juice before you do your heat cure. You don't want that all drying and crystallizing on the outside and filling those little peach pits. I had to MacGyver a rack here using some old coil nails in an attempt to keep the peach pits from falling through.
I can see right through you. All those colors that are true. It's the beauty that you hide. It's locked up inside. And
the fun part, pulling them out, cleaning them up. I'm gonna pull them out just 1 or 2 at a time so they stay warm as I'm cleaning them up.
see too much negativity not needed with judgment and scrutiny. But lately I tried to weed it out, given the benefit of the doubt. And I know this is not what you may expect. Can be rare to get respect, especially when everyone tries to claim to be so perfect.
Last one. All these peach pits and some deer elk. What are we gonna make?
Truth. It doesn't have to ask for proof. What's true or false, right or wrong, my heart knows where I belong. It's only my life situation. My soul's purpose doesn't need that for its validation, 'cause it knows why I can't get it right, but it also knows not to put up a fight. The soul knows its own truth. It doesn't have to ask for.
Thanks so much for watching Wake and Make. Please come back next week. We're gonna be taking this Peach Pit blank that we had made and making a pendant out of it. The Peach Pit Pendant. Please write me a comment. Tell me what you want to see me stabilize and what you want to see me make out of it. I'm open to suggestions. Comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. All that is going to help me out tremendously, get this channel off the ground. We're getting there, getting this train moving. To all my existing subscribers, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.